Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Andiana Fitra AN. Here I will answer question from the final speaking for general communication. First question is, do you agree with this definition of speaking? Speaking is to say something by using voice. Please explain your answer by using your own sentence. My answer is, in my opinion, speaking is one of the most important language skill to master. Speaking is a person's ability to express ideas that are in themselves that involve other people in conveying the information by using words. Question number 2. When we learn speaking skill, what knowledge should be learned and why should we learn the knowledge? Please explain your answer using your own sentence. My answer is, the knowledge that must be learned from speaking skill is an effective process. With speaking skill, we can convey various kinds of information, face, event, ID, respond, and so on. We can express our will and desire, and express various kinds of feelings. Reason for learning reading skill. Knowledge of speaking skill can include streamlining communication between others, facilitating the discussion of various information, increasing self-confidence, increasing public or community support, being a supporter for achieving profession and jobs. Question number 3 is, what do you know of speaking concept according to Richard theory? Please explain your answer. My answer is grammar, pronunciation, or vocabulary, linguistic competence, but they also need to understand when, why, and in what ways to produce language, socio-linguistic, and competence. In addition, Bahar defines speaking as to say something from feelings and might express through the sequence of sound, pronouns, vocabulary, phrase, and sentence. Grammar, they contain meaning, pragmatic, and semantic to convey a particular function within a language apart from the speaking ID as that above. Richard specifically makes effort to describe speaking from the definition of a speaking point of view. According to him, in humans' daily life, people use speaking to employ three major functions: speaking as interaction, speaking as interaction, speaking as transaction, as well as speaking as performance. Each of these speech activity is quite distinct in terms of form and function. Therefore, this present book will specifically present the discussion of the forms and the function of speaking as interaction. However, it is very important to clarify what the writer normally means by all these speaking function. Next question number 4. Do you agree with saying that the target of learning speaking is communicative competence? What do you know of communicative competence? Please explain your answer using your own sentence. My answer is, I agree that what I know from communicative competence is that communicative competence is a person's ability to communicate according to the topic area, fail to who the person is talking to. Next question 5. When teaching speaking skill, English teachers are required to use a good teaching method, and one of the suggested methods is CLT, Do you agree that CLT is one of good method for teaching speaking skill? Why? What do you know of CLT? Please explain your answer using your own sentence. My answer is communicative language teaching, or CLT, also known as communicative approach, is an approach to language teaching that emphasizes interaction as a mean and the ultimate goal of learning. Language learner in learning environments that use CLT technical, namely learning and practicing the target language through interaction with each other and with the instructor, learning about original script written in the target language for purpose other than language learning, and through the use of the language both inside and outside the classroom. Okay, that was my answer. Sorry if there is an error in pronouncing the word. I end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.